Hi there and welcome to Unboxing Canada. Today we have something new here. Balance ball. Basically, I'm trying to lose weight, so I'm trying to do these exercises. I also bought the dumbbells and I'm gonna use this with. So we have the box here. It's called Gaiam Essential Balance Ball Base Kit.
Did you
so
forget
it is.
something?
Yes. So here's 65 cm ball, inflatable, stability base, anti-burst. So let's see what's inside the box. Come closer. Hurry up with it. So here we're opening it. Okay, let's see what we have here. Alright, so we have the ball here. And I don't know what is this. I think it might be. So it is. Oh, as you see the ball here, see how it is? So you can use like this, use like this. So the circle, okay, I like this exercise. I did this exercises before and they're amazing. You don't need to go to gym. So, and then what we have here is stability ring, tools needed, setup. So the setup instruction is here, as you can see. And workout tips, that's good. Care, important safety cautions. Workout tips, care, everything. Now here is the pump. So basically this is the one that you need to fill the balloon with. Okay, let's open it here. This is how it is. So this is it. And this one, I think it will be something as Ahmed said. Okay, I got it. This is the one here down here.
The circle there.
The circle is here, so that will be under the ball and you can use it as a chair in your computer, which is amazing. Maybe I'll stop using the gaming chair.
You can use a
and
gaming
I'll start
chair?
using that. All right, so we'll set it up and we'll show you.
I like that. I'm gonna try it. You can't try theirs? No. Then no.
So here we're trying to fill it up with air using the pump that came with it.
I got it. It says Gaiam.
Oh wow, it looks like it's done.
Yeah.
I'm joking.
Okay. This is done. How you guys are doing there?
No.
How you guys are doing there?
No! Get it out! Oh, we're good. It's the ball. It has this thing to like, I don't know, block it from getting out, I guess.
No, it's to balance it. That's why
Or
it's called a
like,
balance ball.
when you sit on it, it's just like that. So it doesn't go all the way down. Yeah. Now guys, look at me. Wait, guys, this isn't the real purpose of it. It's for exercise. So, I think this is one of them. Can you put this up? Yeah.
Here are some exercises. There's
Okay,
Can you show me? These are some exercises in
excuse
the
me,
ball
I'll
you
take
can
that
do.
away.
And Ahmed is demonstrating the way of exercises right now.
I'm just doing this one right here. Like you have to put like.
Okay, thank you. All right, guys, thank you for watching. Please subscribe, share, like Unboxing Canada.
And hit that notification bell so every time we make a new video, you guys can see it.
Thank
You guys
you.
will get a
bye guys.
notification.
Bye bye.